Why am I so blue today? I know, it's because I'm getting ready to unbox the Blue Business Plus card from American Express, and you're going to come with me on the ride. Let's go. Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give us a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and we really appreciate your support so far. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of a card that I think is very underrated. It may not be as sexy as the Hilton Aspire card.
Too sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts.
Or the Amex Platinum card that we've unboxed on this channel. But I think it is undervalued, and I'm going to show you all the benefits of the Blue Business Plus card. So if you have subscribed to this channel, you know that I have got a great delivery person. And for this unboxing video, I'm expecting a package any minute. I don't know where they are. I'm expecting a package any minute. Delivery person. There we go. Look at that. Speedy delivery. What? Is this it? An envelope. This is an unboxing. This is an unenveloping video. Really? This is what we have? Okay. Well, I'm sorry. This is definitely not going to be as sexy or as exciting as the Hilton Aspire card or the Amex Platinum card. I got an envelope. Come on. What's going on, American Express? Are you getting on a low budget here? What's going on? I don't know. We'll see what's going on. This is an unenveloping. Maybe we'll have to change the title. We'll see. But this is the Blue Business Plus card. I'm going to talk about the benefits of this in just a minute, but just to open it up, you got a fantastic envelope. Top notch. State of the art. Terms, conditions, car rental loss, basic replacement, card member agreement.
I'm boring myself just talking about this.
Wow, that was mind-blowing. Thank you, American Express, for making this unboxing just thrilling. This is terrific. But, you know, the card does look pretty cool. It's kind of transparent looking. I can actually see, you know, my finger on the other side there. Check that out. Right? So maybe they put more money into that and less in the unboxing in the envelope materials. But it looks kind of cool. And the other big thing I want to talk about with this is this card going to have a long-term place in my wallet? As you know, if you subscribe to the channel, we've done a video on the 5 cards that I keep in my wallet at all times. And if you've watched that video, you know that this is going to go in my wallet as my Min Spend card. I always keep my Min Spend card in the front pocket of my wallet. But the big question is it going to take the place of any other cards that I've considered long-term keepers in my wallet for everyday carry? I'm going to get into it and see what's going on. That was a very unceremonious unboxing, unenveloping, whatever you call it. I don't know if YouTube even has searchable content for unenveloping, so I don't know what I'm going to title this thing. Thank you, delivery person. So one of the big tests we like to do is the drop test, right? Does this feel like an expensive card? I can tell you right now, this feels like super flimsy. If you've had the Amex Platinum card, you could, like I said in my video, you could use it as a weapon. It's like a sharp object. If someone breaks in your house, you could literally club them to death with the Amex Platinum card. It's that heavy.
Come on. That was a good one.
This one feels like under enough pressure, I could crack it wide open with just my thoughts, almost. If I wanted to say crack right now, it would just start cracking. But, I mean, it is transparent. It's pretty cool. I'm covering the numbers up on here a little bit. Just, I know I trust you guys. It's not that. But I can't be showing my numbers everywhere. But it looks different and cool, I guess. It's just a little
floppy. It's floppy.
But you know what? The benefits of this card are not flimsy. So why did I get this card? First of all, it doesn't add to my 524 status with Chase. It's a business card. Right now, I stand at 424, and I may add the Chase Inc. Cash card or the World of Hyatt card later on once I get into a better relationship with Chase. I don't know. But this card kind of buys me a little bit of time until I do that. And like I said, it has its advantages. This card, I kind of like to think of it, if you've ever watched any 80s movies, you know the girl in the movies that like looks kind of dorky and she's got glasses on and doesn't really look that cool initially, but then, you know, you put some makeup on, you take her glasses off, let the hair down. It's a thing of beauty. That's what this card is. It's very underappreciated, undervalued, but really when you look at what all it can do, it's got a lot of benefits and it looks great. So American Express does have stipulations. I talked about the Chase 524 status a while ago. With American Express, they will allow 4 lending products per customer, and this card is going to qualify for that. So this is going to take up a spot and put me at 4 American Express lending cards. So that's okay, though. It earned a spot. It's there. I'm going to use it. My wife referred me for this card, so her referral offer was 30,000 MRs, which is great. She referred me from her Amex Gold cards. So again, you don't have to have this card to refer somebody to it, which is awesome. And by the way, use our referral links down in the description to help support the channel. We always appreciate that. And the bonus that I get if I spend $3,000 in 3 months is 10,000 MRs. So that's 40,000 MRs between my wife and I. Hey, it's nothing to brag about.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
I'm not going to write home about it and say, well, I'm going to take over the world with these 40,000 MRs between us. But it's something. It's better than nothing, right? The bonus may not sound huge, but this is all with a no annual fee card. All right, some of the cards we've talked about on this channel are $400, $500. So those add up pretty quick. This is going to be a card in my wallet that's going to have a lot of benefits that I don't have to pay for every year.
I like it.
Especially with some of the cards that we do have in our wallet already. And again, if you subscribe to the channel, you know the cards we're talking about. Those annual fees add up, so to have one that has all the benefits I'm going to mention is great. The Blue Blizz. The reason that I think the Blue Business Plus. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to call an audible here. I'm going to call it the BBP because I can't do this. It's going to be BBP. Blue Business Plus, BBP. The reason I like the BBP card is because you can earn 2 times points on the first $50,000 spend every year. So think about that. 2 times your first $50,000, if you spend that much, is 100,000 MRs every year for a no annual fee card, which is crazy. And it's right up there for me with the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which is 1.5 times Ultimate Rewards points on kind of catch-all purchases that aren't on any particular reward category or any 10 times bonus or 4 times bonus you may have with another card in your wallet. If you're unsure what to use in your wallet, use this one, right? It's a great multiplier for membership rewards, and it's something you should keep with you all the time. It's kind of a no-brainer card with no annual fee. Hey, American Express, why don't you hire me for your marketing department? I think that was pretty good. A no-brainer card with a no annual fee. I'm sure the check's in the mail. Thanks, American Express. So on the short term, where is this going to go in my wallet? If you watched my What's in My Wallet video, you know that the front slot that I have is for my Men's Spend card. It's the one I'm covering up here. I'm going to be taking that card out and putting in the BBP card. I almost tried to say Blue Business Plus again. Thank you for saving me. I'm going to put it in the front slot and use that to meet my $3,000 Men's Spend. That way I can get the sign-up bonus that I talked about earlier. Now, long term, is this going to have a spot? I think so, again, because it's a catch-all card, it's 2 times membership rewards, and I plan on replacing my Hilton Business card, which I still love, but I'm going to do one large purchase with my Hilton Business card, spend the $15,000 that it takes per year to get the free night certificate. Once I'm done with that, it's out of here, and the Blue Business, the BBP card, is going to go in that slot after it's done with the Men's Spend section. So it is going to find a place for the long term in my wallet. For now, I'll keep you updated if that changes. But this, again, is a great card to have if you're unsure what to do when you get to the register.
I'm so damn confused.
You can't remember all the bonus categories, or maybe you're new to all this. It's a great card to have if you're starting out. And of course, keep this in mind. It's very important that you're operating some sort of business to get a business card, so keep that in mind. Maybe you have a babysitting business. Maybe you're a real estate agent. Maybe you've just started some kind of marketing firm or something. Have some kind of business set up in order to get a business card. I think that goes without saying, but if you're new to the game, it's important to keep that in mind. Now, this card does offer 0% APR for the first 12 months after opening the account, which is great if you liked it. To me, that's not as big of a deal because I pay my cards off pretty quickly, but just so you know it's there. And there are some other benefits to the card, such as extended warranty, purchase protection, and I'll leave my wife's referral link down in the description below. As of today, the day that we're shooting this video, there is no welcome offer for the BBP card if you don't go through a referral link. If you use our referral link down in the description, you will be eligible for the 10,000 point sign-up bonus. But that's only if you use a referral link. If you go directly through American Express, it's not there. So let me know down in the comments, right? I've showed you what's in my wallet before and where this card fits in the short term and the long term. Is this a good move on my part? Do you currently have the card, and how are you using it? Have you seen all the benefits from the card that we mentioned in the video? Do you think it was a good idea for me to use one of my 4 American Express slots for this card, right? It wasn't a very sexy unboxing, but I think it packs a serious punch in my wallet. I think it was a good move. But if it was bad, let me know down in the comments. I won't be offended. You can say anything you want. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications, and you know what's going to keep on rolling? This train. This train is going to keep on rolling. As always, we're going to keep producing great content for you. We are just getting started, and I want to say thank you again to all of our subscribers and the viewers of this video, and we will see you next time on The Brandon Boyd Show. We'll see you soon.